Hey everyone, I'm Jerry James Stone, and today's video is about, well, justice. It's about Ruth Bader Ginsburg. We're gonna pancake her, and that sounds weirder out loud, but I think you're really gonna like it. Actually, Jasmine's gonna do it from Get Caked LA. Let me show you how, or let her show you how. So have you drawn her before?
No, this is actually my first time.
First time drawing her. Okay.
Yeah.
So when you, when I was like, hey, let's draw Ruth, like, what do you do to prep? Do you just look at lots of photos?
Yes.
Do you sketch or anything?
Yeah. I do all of it actually. So whenever somebody comes to me with like a new idea, what I usually like to do is take the time to like, obviously prep what I'm doing. So by prepping, I do draw a lot. Like that's a really big thing too, is like if I don't draw, then I'm a little more uncomfortable when I have to go and make the character. So what I usually do is tons of drawing, and then I usually take like a black felt marker and I go over it like a ton.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll do all of my tracing first, right, with like a pencil, and then I'll take that black marker and really like kind of hone in on like all like the shapes of the faces, I would say, and kind of trace it a bit more, just so that way I have the fluid line movement. I can kind of see, where some shading is at, like her hair and stuff. Different details.
Nice. She seems like pretty much a badass.
In all forms, including Pancake, she is, okay?
Yeah, she is a badass. And I feel like, because of everything that's going on with the Republicans stealing the Supreme Court nomination from the Democrats when Obama was in office, and this like bullshit Kavanaugh stuff. And I just want to say that I don't know if Kavanaugh did the things that he's being accused of. All I know is that these people came forward and they're being dismissed by the Republican Senate. And that's
instead of being heard. Yeah.
Yeah, do the due diligence. Look into it. Don't just assume that this guy is innocent. If we've learned anything from the Me Too movement, I think that she's just really important for that.
Really?
I feel like we should bubble wrap her. We need to protect her.
And keep her safe the entire time, right? No, seriously. I always try to tell people that too. It's like, you can't assume anything. If you don't do your due diligence, then really, who are we to say?
Right.
Who are we to say? And I always tell people, my uncle taught me this one. Anytime you assume something, it makes a fool out of you and it makes an ass out of me.
Yeah.
Every time. So now I'm gonna fill her in, her beautiful skin.
And we're really hoping that Brett Kavanaugh is gone by now.
I know, seriously. By that time, he'll be long gone.
I swear on this Ruth Bader Ginsburg pancake. It's so cool. It's just really mesmerizing to watch you make these.
Really? Yeah. And the coolest thing is too, is I always try to tell people, yeah, you should try it, but really this stuff is so therapeutic for me. I really just have such a blast making it every single time.
It's therapeutic for me also.
I'm glad you're enjoying it, just as much as I am. She's gonna get blue around her.
Should we do red, white, and blue for justice? Can you do more than one color for an outline? I don't know
yeah. No, I can totally do that. Watch this.
Throwing off Jasmine's theme. Sorry, everyone.
No, you're good.
Oh, it's gonna be so cool. America, fuck it.
Yes. And then let's throw some red in there.
Nice.
Yeah, she's gonna be pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm excited for this one.
Awesome.
Okay.
Yeah, fun fact, faces are actually the hardest thing to make all the time, yeah.
Yeah, because it's cartoony, you have...
I do a caricature thing with everybody.
Yeah,
That's the style that I like, at least.
Well, with with cartoons, you have limited, they're not fine tip pens. It's a line of pancake batter, so you have
yeah.
you can,
Yeah, it does definitely get a little bit more challenging when you do it with pancake batter, but the key to it really is finding a really good consistency so it's really not too runny, but that it squeezes out the bottles perfect every single time, that it's smooth when you do it, but it's thick enough so that it doesn't, you know, try to make a circle like a regular pancake does. Because when you pour batter on a griddle or pour it on like a stove top, it just tries to make a circle every time. So if you can imagine it, that's why the heat stays on warm. That's why the consistency is super important. Everything matters when you're making pancake art. It took me forever. I can remember like me burning pancakes. You guys seen my first pancakes, right? Yeah, okay.
We'll show you guys a photo of it, yeah.
Yeah, so my first pancakes, I mean, they're a sight for sore eyes, okay?
Like, when you told me it was only 2 years, I was like, that's crazy.
Yeah, I always try to tell people, you know, it sounds like
She's bubbling. Justice is bubbling.
She is. It sounds like 2 years isn't a long time, but for me, like it was honestly like a stretch. It was honestly a stretch trying to learn something new. The limits that we put on ourselves as humans really amaze me, because when we were kids, we thought we could do anything in the world.
Totally.
Nobody ever said that we couldn't do anything in the world, right? Yeah. And then as soon as we get older, we start putting those limits on ourselves. So I always try to tell people, the 2 years, it was tough. It took a lot. Like I had to push through a lot of, should I keep going? Should I just quit this? Because it was a struggle to learn how to draw. But again, justice prevailed. Here we are now, making a Ruth pancake.
And if you want to draw pancakes like Jasmine does, you can go to fairenup.us, just like the banner says, and get her pancake art kit that she did with them.
Yes. Yeah, and we use all the same bottles and food coloring and stuff, so it's literally everything that I use. It's as if you're coming into my kitchen and taking my bottles and my food coloring and my pancake batter and mixing it at home for yourself.
It's like you're stealing from Jasmine to make your own pancakes.
But really not stealing at the same time. So same thing, gotta get around the edges. I love the red, white, and blue. That was a good idea.
I think it has like sort of like this like 70s vibe to it.
Yeah,
too, you know?
yeah.
It's like America and like, you know, kind of disco-y.
You know, the craziest thing, it was so cool when I went to the Price is Right. That's exactly what the feel was like. So 70s, just flowers all over the walls,
Nice.
Different colored panels that turned different colors. It was awesome. All right, you guys ready?
Ready? Okay.
All right, good. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, that's so cool.
We love you, Ruth.
We do. We're gonna bubble wrap you and protect you forever, because right now things are horrible. So.
And nobody's gonna eat you. We love you too much.
No. Awesome. Good job.
Thanks.
And that is the talented and amazing Jasmine of Get Caked LA. She drew that wonderful Ruth Bader Ginsburg pancake. I think that it was super cool. And hey, if you want to know how to draw it, guess what? You can get her pancake kit. Head over to fairenup.us and check it out. You can get all the tools you need to draw amazing pancakes just like the one that you saw today. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. If there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. And if you know what, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time.